let's jump onto lesson for today. All right, instead of using this, let me just use this one. Okay, let me just go onto here and then change this to bar chart, and then you understand. Okay, so when I talk about the weekly profile or the weekly how the weekly is formed, this is what I'm talking about, right? So if you just change your chart to bar chart, actually let's go on to this one. Okay, let's delete that. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so for a perfect week, a perfect down week, this is a perfect down week. We open on Monday, price goes up, form the high, and then drop back down end of the week, maybe Thursday or Friday, and then price will pull back in. Same thing, we open Monday, Tuesday, price goes up, comes back down, and then price does what? Come back up and close. Now, the week that I'm talking about, which is this one here, is for price to open, come down, take out previous week, go all the way up, and then come all the way back down and close. Right, that is a perfect textbook week, and that's what we've had this week. Okay, so we open here, price came down, took out this low, okay, and then went all the way up and formed the high of the week, and then come all the way back down and then close down. That is a textbook week. Okay, so when I'm talking about that weekly profile, this is what I'm talking about. Another one here, beautiful. We open, we take out previous week's high, and then reject and come back down for the rest of the week. Yeah, another one in here, we open, take out previous week's low, run all the way up, form the high of the week, and then reject and come back down. Okay, if you study this, this way, you'll be amazed what you will find on the chart. Okay, let's put your chart on a bar. Yeah, use the bar chart, and then study how the opening price, how price goes up. So if I just highlight this one, because this is a perfect week, if I highlight this one, you're gonna see what I'm talking about, and then change this to bar chart. Okay, now this is a week, so I'm gonna go down to 1 hour and then see magic. Right, so perfect week, market opens. Okay, we open here, we've run previous week high. This is a previous week high, and then that will form the high of the week, and for the rest of the week we're gonna drop and then form the low of the week on Thursday, and then price will reject and come back up on Friday and close. So your week will look like a bear candle but with a small wick. So your week will look like this. We open, and then Monday, Tuesday, this will be a week. Yeah, this will be the week. So this week will be either Monday, Tuesday going up, like here, Monday, Tuesday going up. Okay, and then Wednesday, Thursday will bring the body of the week. Yeah, the body of the weekly candle. Wednesday, Thursday will bring that, and then by Thursday, New York, it will reject and then form the low of the week, and then sometimes it can come all the way back up here and finish something like this. That's why I do tell you guys to take something of all the time, because you could be in a very nice trade for the start of the week, and then price will just come all the way back and stop you out, right? So this is a weekly profile that I'm talking about. So usually it starts with Monday. Monday is either it's gonna go sideways, or Monday is gonna go up a little bit, and then Tuesday will run the Monday's high and reject and come back all the way down. Or if it's a bull, okay, so if it's an up candle, then the opposite is true down here. So Monday will open, and then Monday will drop down. Tuesday will probably take out Monday's low and then reject and come all the way back up and then continue going up. By Thursday, New York time, if you've not taken profit, like right now, okay, if you've not taken profit on some of the pairs that have gone over extension, that means if you traded away like this from the opening price, chances are the high or low of the week is forming, therefore you need to take some profit. So pairs like let's say let's have a look at this one. Now this is just fine. Nothing on this one. There's nothing on this one. There's nothing on this one. I've not seen any pair that has gone in overextension for the start of the week, but it could, if I see one, I would have showed you. But this is also a typical one, right? Monday, price goes up, and this is why when I found out this, it gave me the confidence to go in and study more. Why? Because it's like it does repeat itself, but you just have to know when it's going to do it. The when is the problem. So you just have to study, and then once you start seeing it forming, you know roughly what price you do. That's why I didn't have faith that this thing is gonna continue going down. Why? Because I know, or I've studied, that once you take out previous week's high, okay, there's a huge chance that price is going to retrace and form the low of the week before a continuation to the upside. Okay, it's just a matter of being patient. Okay, so Monday, if you are listening and you want to be on a different level on your trading, Monday will probably be the day you want to say, you know what, I want to see what price will do. Okay, you want to see what price will do on Monday, and then Tuesday you start scanning the market. You start scanning the market to see, okay, what's happening. Have we taken previous week's high? Have we run Monday's low? Are we rejecting? Okay, because once you start seeing those things, those are the signatures to tell you that this is what is going to happen. Okay, on this pair, you could have got how many trades? One. On New Zealand Swiss, there was a beautiful trade here too. New Zealand CAD, same thing, beautiful long here, 3. I think there was another one. I think it was New Zealand yen. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday we shoot up, and then Wednesday, Thursday we are shooting down. Okay, these are the things you want to wait for to happen in price, and then you go in and you kill it. Okay, so hopefully you found today's session helpful.